David, come.
Where are we going, Davis?
Where are we going?
We're going shopping?
Zach?
Okay, off you go.
No, this way.
Davis and Alex out in the mall.
Lay down with it.
Are we going to go buy something for Grandma? Yeah? Uh-oh. Hey, you. You're in the way.